Hi there, it's Mrs. Jackson, and today I'm going to be talking about practicing sight words with your student at home. A very inexpensive way to do this is to get a pencil box. I got mine at the dollar store. And then maybe like a third cup of salt. You don't want to put very much because when the students use their finger, you want them to be able to see the letters clearly. And I like to put it in the pencil box because it keeps the salt contained. You don't have to use salt. I just use salt because I found that at the dollar store. You can use sand, rocks, anything that you have around the house. So the two most confused words I have in one of my groups is what and want. So we're going to be practicing that today. You could even have them put the cards in the lid if you want. I would have them read it, what, and then spell it. W-H-A-T, what. And then all that we do is simply shake it to erase it and do the next one. Want. W-A-N-T, want. And that's how you would practice sight words at home.